Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to disable that new Divi dashboard that appeared in version 4.26 of Divi. So you may not want it there, you may not want it there for your clients. If you want to get rid of it completely, then you've come to the right place. So let me show you how to do that. Alright, so I'm in a sample website here, version 4.26.1 at the time of this recording. So in version 4.26, Divi released this. So under Divi, now you can see this dashboard menu item, and then when you click on that, or when you click on the main item, here is this dashboard. So there's some things about your license key, Divi being up to date, pages built with Divi, theme builder templates, documentation support, quick sites with AI, and then there's these like upsells for elegant themes, features, and things. Okay, so let's say you want to disable this entire thing. Like you just don't want this. None of it. You don't want any of this. You don't want the menu item. You don't want this page. You don't want this, right? And the reason I'm stressing that is because I have another tutorial that I'll do next that will show you how to remove this whole bottom part. And with our Divi AI features in Divi Assistant, I'll show you how to remove that. But anyway, this tutorial here that you're watching now is about removing the page back to like prior to 4.26. Like really, there's no dashboard menu. That's what this code snippet does. So it's going to do a couple things. It hides this menu item, but it doesn't just hide it. This page, it actually makes this page inaccessible. It shows a message like, hey, you don't have permission to access this page, in case someone for some reason knew like admin, this URL, right, of the admin. So it not only does it hide the menu item, it actually makes the actual page disabled. I hope that is clear. But there's one more thing. When you do that, when you hide this menu item, now watch this. If I'm like on regular dashboard WordPress and then I click Divi, I just click it, see how it goes to the dashboard, but before it would go to theme options instead. So we have to use JavaScript now to change that. So we're using all kind of code just to achieve this, and that's what this code snippet is all about. You can copy this. It's PHP. Well, it's multiple things, but it's grouped into PHP, and you can look here how to add that different in the child themes or in a code snippet plugin. I'm not going to show you that because that's what these other things are about. You want to have a child theme or a code snippet plugin, and you'll want to be familiar with how to do that if you're using that method. If not, then just use Divi Assistant. Turn on a setting. Let me show you that. So go into Divi Assistant's interface and go into Visual Builder Helper. Now I updated this. Now we have interface hacks and now Divi upsells. Kind of wanted to somehow think of how to organize those, right? So this first option, hide Divi Dashboard. All right, let's save our changes, and you'll have to refresh the page, Alrighty, so now we're back in here, but let's say I want to just go over here quick and click on Divi. Oh, I went to theme options. Hey, where's my dashboard? It's gone, right? That setting updated everything in one click. So again, in Divi Assistant, Visual Builder Helper, Divi Upsells, right there it is. It's that simple. If you want to disable that, enable this setting and save changes. That's it. And that's going to be hidden for all your users. And I'll have another tutorial coming next for hiding just those upsells, and then we'll have another one about hiding like the Divi quick sites and different features of AI individually, things like that. That's all part of Divi Assistant, and that's our plugin that I keep saying about. It's our flagship plugin. It's my baby. I say sometimes. Yeah, it's our special plugin that has 141 main features at the time of this recording, and that number just keeps going up. All right, we hope that you enjoyed this. And again, this isn't anything against like elegant themes adding this feature. It's just you may not want it. You may not want your clients to have it or see it, and maybe you don't like change anyway. Yeah, so it's nothing against it. There's nothing wrong with that menu. It's actually a great idea. I'm actually surprised they didn't do it sooner. But yeah, if you don't want it, now you know how. Share this tutorial around when you see people talking about it. I'll appreciate that. Subscribe to our channel and on our newsletter over on the blog. All right, we'll see you in our next video.